Enhancing mental health through essential nutrients. In this video, we'll explore how essential vitamins and minerals can help protect your mental health and boost your overall well-being. Mental illness is a widespread issue, impacting millions of people worldwide. It can appear as anxiety, depression, bipolar disorder, schizophrenia, or eating disorders. Mental health conditions often arise from a mix of genetic predispositions and environmental stressors, such as traumatic events. However, recent research suggests that nutritional deficiencies might also significantly influence the development or worsening of these conditions. An imbalanced diet can lead to chemical imbalances in the brain, contributing to mood disorders and other psychological issues. Interestingly, several vitamins and minerals play crucial roles not only in maintaining optimal brain function but also in potentially preventing mental illnesses. Studies have shown that these nutrients might help alleviate symptoms associated with common psychiatric conditions by supporting healthy neurotransmitter production and promoting emotional stability. Join us as we examine 5 key vitamins and minerals scientifically proven to enhance mental health and possibly protect against future psychiatric issues. You might be surprised by how simple dietary changes can make a big difference in your mental and physical well-being, offering relief for you or someone you care about who is struggling with these challenges. Before we dive in, please take a moment to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and click the notification bell so you'll be the first to know when we release new content. Now, let's explore the top 5 vitamins and minerals for mental health. Number 1. Omega-3 fatty acids. These essential fats, which our bodies can't produce on their own, must be obtained through diet. Omega-3s include ALA, alpha-linolenic acid, EPA, eicosapentaenoic acid, and DHA, docosahexaenoic acid. DHA and EPA are particularly important for brain health. DHA is a major structural component of brain cells, improving membrane fluidity and allowing essential molecules to pass through. EPA helps reduce inflammation and protect cells. Research has shown a link between omega-3 deficiencies and mental health disorders. For example, a 2019 study in translational psychiatry found that low DHA levels were associated with poorer cognitive function and behavioral problems in children. Additionally, a 2016 review in the Journal of Clinical Psychiatry found that omega-3 supplements, especially EPA, can aid in managing depression. While omega-3s aren't a cure-all, maintaining adequate levels can support brain health. Number 2. Vitamin D, often called the sunshine vitamin, is crucial for more than just bone health. It plays a role in immune function and brain health by influencing neurotransmitter synthesis. Research has linked vitamin D deficiency with an increased risk of mental health issues, including depression and dementia. For instance, a 2016 review in the Journal of the American Geriatric Society found a significant association between low vitamin D levels and a higher risk of dementia. Vitamin D levels can be boosted through sunlight exposure, fatty fish, egg yolks, and fortified foods. Number 3. Magnesium. At number 3, magnesium is vital for both physical and brain health. This mineral is involved in hundreds of biochemical processes and is essential for neurotransmitter function and mood regulation. Low magnesium levels have been linked to depression, with a 2015 study in PLOS One showing that individuals with low magnesium intake had a higher risk of depression. A 2017 review in neuropsychiatry suggested that magnesium supplements might help alleviate depressive symptoms, especially in those with low magnesium levels. Number 4. B vitamins. B vitamins, including B6, B9, folate, and B12. These vitamins are crucial for brain health and cognitive function. Vitamin B6 helps produce neurotransmitters like serotonin and norepinephrine, while B9, folate, supports brain development and neurotransmitter synthesis. Vitamin B12 is essential for the production of brain chemicals and the maintenance of nerve function. Deficiencies in these vitamins have been associated with mental health disorders. For example, a 2017 study in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition linked low B6 and B12 levels with depression in older adults. Number 5. Zinc. Finally, at number 5, zinc is a trace mineral crucial for numerous bodily functions, including brain health. Zinc is involved in nerve signaling and neurotransmitter function. Research has linked zinc deficiency with mental health issues such as depression and ADHD. For instance, a 2013 study in biological psychiatry found lower zinc levels in individuals with depression. Similarly, a 2014 study in progress in neuropsychopharmacology and biological psychiatry noted lower zinc levels in children with ADHD. Ensuring adequate zinc intake through foods like oysters, red meat, beans, nuts, and whole grains can support mental health. In conclusion, while these nutrients play important roles in mental health, they are not a panacea for mental illness. Mental health is a multifaceted issue influenced by various factors, including genetics, environment, and lifestyle. Always consult with a healthcare provider or registered dietitian for personalized advice. Thank you for joining us on this journey into nutrition and mental health. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content. Don't forget to hit the notification bell for updates, and consider supporting us through the Super Thanks button. Your support helps us continue to provide high-quality, research-based content. Take care, and remember, nurturing your brain health is as important as caring for your physical health.